I gotta go, bro.
You have a funeral? Who wears this shit to a funeral? Nah. Alright, hurry up.
No, you're not supposed to record. Stop recording.
But Joe, please, bro.
Come on, Joe.
Izzy, where are my $5?
Bro, where are you?
Later. Gang, where are you? Gang, where are you?
You got it on me. My stomach's gonna explode.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to you.
Go! Blow it.
Oh! What?
Mexican ass name.
Another Mexican ass name that you made up.
Monkey Nantes.
What's up, Maxie? What they call him?
Happy birthday,
Happy
Joe
birthday,
Alex.
Joe.
What they call him?
Joe, bite again.
Bye.
Wow.
Oh, what the fuck?
No,
I don't know how to sing this, but. What is Brody doing? The pubic hairs? The pubic hair? Oh my god. Start. Juan, why are you looking all over the place? Looking.
Oh, nigga! You're hitting me! Nigga, stay on your side! This is my side! We keep fucking going in zigzags, nigga! Oh, my hands started to go numb. I've been moving too fast. It hurts! Keep going faster! It hurts! Nigga, move! I can't. It's all up in the wind.
They was fucking looking at you, man.
Yo, bro, you said you need a cologne? Don't worry. I got you.
What the fuck? That's a lot of fucking spray, bro.
No, you. I thought you said, I don't love you. I thought you said,
What the fuck? Some Jeffrey Dahmer shit?
it.
Look, it's one of his victims. Yo! What the? Oh,
Stop.
oh the voices inside of
Can I
it.
scream? Can I scream, Joe? No, nigga.
As he's fucking roaring hella loud. Bro just does this mid-fight. Bro just starts eating an orange mid-fight. Epic standoff for what the fuck? Nigga got the LGBTQ spatula.
I'm about to whip this hoe. Oh, you fucked up.
Bro's finna give in. Come here, boy. Oh, what the fuck? He almost made
Joe,
it.
you fucked around.
Now you're gonna find out.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ever triple.
Into the trash though. Oh. Oh, I got that shit on camera too. W?
With the knives and shirtless is
Ran over, bruh. Lil homie almost died.
Homie almost died. What is it?
We trying to bring it to the pond?
Dude, yeah, I mean...
He a little too weak. Found little homie on the road. Little bro finna die. Little bro finna die. And I was playing. Dude, we need like a string so we could just pull him.
Casually walking.
get off.
Dude, look at him. He's trying to opt out. We're trying to help him, bro.
Trying to save you, man.
Save. Ops. It's the op. Your mom's right there, bro. What?
That's her.
No. That ain't her.
That's her.
It is, get down.
That's her, bro. That's her.
Why, if we're gonna do that, then you shouldn't just talk to them.
For real.
I'm scared.
So weird.
Alright, do it.
Oh, ew, why are they wet?
Oh, come on.
Oh, go down.
Oof.
I'm finna take it at 4, bro.
While you're drinking it or what? That's the shit your dad be wearing.
Exactly.
Nah, one of them girls is definitely like that. Jorge, hurry up, get dressed. Brody, you got your shorts, right?
Give me a second.
Oh, I forgot. My bad. Alright, drink it. What the fuck? Nah. Dog. That's fuck. Nah. Are you finishing it? What the fuck? Nah.
I hate
Bro.
you. Oh my god. Bro, you look quick to
Nah,
fucking
Brody. He really does, bro.
I forgot I had the fucking glass.
Bro, this is weak shit. Bro, so
What's up, Vin Diesel?
Let's ride.
what the fuck?
Savon, let's recreate the Paul Walker scene where they split off.
Are you gonna speak?
Bro, you gotta say it.
No, you have to say. You can't leave without saying goodbye. You're Brian, nigga.
Okay. You're not leaving without saying goodbye.
Some people say I live a mile, a quarter mile at a time. I think that's why we were brothers. We always had
The truth. Oh no.
Nigga, what the
Damn, bro, that
Alright,
bugs.
yeah.
Oh shit, Ice Spice. Oh my god, Ice Spice. Real life Ice Spice.
Yo, my ass hurts.
Oh yeah. From all that dick you be getting. Ice Spice. Ice Spice. Ice Spice. Get over here. Oh yeah. Bro got the wop. Fuck. Say it again.
What?
Say what you said again.
I didn't say nothing.
You say you got a shit, bro.
No.
Say it on camera.
No.
Gotta send this to the people. fuck? Wake up, man. Jorge, wake up, bro. Jorge. Jorge, wake up.
He died.
Jorge. Look, is this he's smirking, huh? Jorge. It's...
Hi, my name is Jeff.
Happy that you are
Listen,
wrong.
man.
I don't know if I'm gonna do it for real.
Ultimate Riz, the curve is rizzing you up right now, bro. What you think about that?
I ain't did a cartwheel in a minute.
Tuck your shirt in though. Oh, that shit.
Stop. No, Smexy.
Nah, fucking with you. Come on, bro.
Alright, let's see. Oh,
Easy work, easy
I
work.
got that. It's like this.
I got my eyes on you. The only thing.
Oh,
Whoa, W flip.
nah, that's
What the fuck?
crazy, bro.
Do a backflip off, you won't?
Go flip.
That look like buying on net, bro.
Bro, look up to yourself. You are the fucking future. You. Me? I'm just a cocksucker.
Go, go, go. Oh, yes. No, no, no. Go back, go back. No, you kicked it. No, you ain't shit. The board is shooting shit from his ass.
Walk in.
Ollie over that. Ollie over it. Oh. Okay, that was pretty good though.